I'm the chef. You must be Laura.
You can do this. You know all cooking vocabulary.
First day? Yes. Good. Let's crack on, shall we?
Crack on, crack.
Sure. The eggs? Eggs? You want me to crack the eggs? I mean, crack on is let's get going. Yeah? Oh. Sure. Cool. So I need a whisk and a ladle.
Very easy.
Sure.
A whisk, una frusta.
Whisk. Cheers.
A ladle, un mestolo.
Ladle.
You are so good.
Thanks. Right, would you mind passing me a bowl, please? Yes.
A bowl. A bowl.
Ouch! What's that for? Sorry. I say the bowl, not a ball. Bowl.
Una ciotola
Bowl.
rimbambita.
Bowl, not ball. Sure. Bowl. Thanks. Would you mind getting the pila, please?
Pila? What does she need a pila for?
Okay. One moment. Pila, 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 pila. Here we go, chef. What's that battery for? Una pila? What? I need a peeler! A peeler! This! To peel the potatoes! Of course. A calendar, please. Yes, today is the 10th of March, chef. A calendar! To drain the potatoes! Ah, sorry, I understood the calendar. This is colander. Colander, yes, not calendar. Here we go. FecciaMasha, will you?
FecciaMasha, FecciaMasha. I don't understand anything.
Are you alright? Fetch, go and get a masher to mash the potatoes.
Ah, fetch, vai a prendere lo schiacciapatate,
A
mannaggia.
masher. And a grater, please. Chef, it's the only one. What? We don't have a grater masher. A cheese grater.
Una grattugia.
Of course, grater.
Chef, did I get the job?